Now I just need to think about what I want to say. Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Day in the Life. Now, we're fast approaching the end of November. It's been an absolutely exceptional trading month. I'm just heading into the office as we speak. I thought I'd start the video here to show off the new Christmas lights on the outside of our building. There's a lot I have to update you on. We have loads of exciting things coming over the next month at KB. So I'm going to get into the office. Let's get on with the video. So today is Tuesday the 30th of November. Now on Sunday evening at market open, I got an order in on silver to actually get short. Got filled early hours of Monday morning, so when I woke up on Monday, I was actually in a trade. Now since then, I trailed a stop, and I've been stopped out on a trailed stop for about 0.6 hour. I don't know how well you can see that. So I got stopped out early hours of this morning. Obviously not ideal to get taken out on a trailed stop, but I have secured some profit, to get the week started, so I'm pretty happy with that. So it's about 10:30 just now. We have our morning Zoom call with the members in our Trades and Analysis Telegram group. For those of you who are unaware, between sort of 9 and 11 AM in the UK each morning, I'll go live on Zoom and I'll basically screen share and give all the members a rundown of what I'm looking at in the markets for the day ahead. I trade 15 markets, I'll talk about some of the fundamentals I'm looking at and that kind of thing as well. That's recorded and uploaded to our Telegram group in case anybody can't tune in live. And I'll provide updates on any trades and that kind of thing throughout the day if I'm managing trades, trailed stops, closing early, all that good stuff as well. If you've never checked that out, it's £50 a month, but you get your first 5 days free, so you can join for a full trading week, give it a try. We do workshop videos, we have a community group chat and all that kind of stuff. Excellent value for money. That's going to be the top link in the description. But anyway, I'm going to get on with this and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Okay, good morning guys, and welcome to this morning's live stream. Now, it is November the 30th, last day of the month I believe actually. Yeah, it is last day of the month. So it's just gone 11 AM, morning call is completely done. Really productive morning call this morning with plenty of members in attendance. I've also just entered a trade on Euro Pound, so I'm going to spin the camera around and show you that now. So in line with my morning plan, I was looking to short Euro Pound at 85.13 here. So as you can see, I color code my morning plan, whether I have an order active, whether something is likely to set up or whether it may set up. This just allows me to very quickly have a reference point of what I'm doing for the day. Now with regards to the Euro Pound setup here, you can see we do have a relatively impulsive down move, nice wide correction, rounded retest to this daily structure marked in by that orange line. 61.8 fib confluence coming in there as well. And if I just drop down onto the 1 hour time frame here, you can see, you may be able to see that we have upside ATR coming in there as well. So a very high confluence reaction point there on Euro Pound, obviously with upside ATR and the 61.8 fib being confluent with that daily level. So short from there. So I'm in this trade on 2% risk. It's a US dollar account, so 2% works out to be around about $1,000 risk on this trade. But anyway, I've got to go and grab breakfast and that kind of thing. I'll keep you updated on this trade as we go throughout the day. Okay guys, so the all important Trade Club announcement. Over the past few weeks, if you've been following the channel, if you've been following KB, you will know that we've been releasing details of this secret project that we plan to launch at the end of the year titled Trade Club. So each week we've been launching a new detail. We had plug and play, we had board talk, we had breakout, and we also had guidance. That was the 4 details that we were launching on social media. As of today, as of this day in the life being out, we have launched the final aspect of the reveal of Trade Club, which is the full reveal video with all details. So I'm gonna let you see that now. Hello guys, it's Sam here from KB, and welcome to Trade Club. Now, Trade Club is an industry first, brand new experience that we're launching here at KB. It gives traders like you the opportunity to join us here on a professional trading floor and trade alongside us for 1 to 4 weeks. Now, after signing up and choosing your preferred dates, you will automatically reserve a desk here on our trading floor, fully equipped with a dual monitor screen setup. We have all of the adapters and cables necessary to run both Windows and Mac platforms, meaning all you need to do is bring along your personal laptop, plug and play, and you're ready to go. During your time with us here at Trade Club, you'll benefit from socializing, collaborating, and sharing ideas with other like-minded people, including our full-time prop traders who work here every day on the trading floor. Now, not only will you have access to the trading floor for 12 hours a day, you'll also have access to all of our facilities, including our kitchen and our breakout area as well. The trading floor here at Trade Club really is located in the heart of the city of Glasgow. We're located on one of Scotland's busiest and most historic streets, famous for its thriving nightlife and restaurants, and extremely easy to access via various forms of public transport as well. Now, regardless of your experience level or what strategy you trade, Trade Club really is perfect for everyone. If you're a beginner and you're struggling to find your feet, you're looking for a little bit of guidance, and you think this kind of environment would, benefit you, or whether you're a full-time funded trader, perhaps you trade from home, and you're just looking to get into an environment with other like-minded traders, a bit more of an optimal and professional trading environment for 1 to 4 weeks, Trade Club really is perfect for everyone. So guys, all that's left to do is simply fill in the form on our website, which should be below this video. Let us know that you're interested, and one of our team will get in touch as soon as possible. But anyway guys, that's all from me. I look forward to welcoming you to Trade Club. So guys, I hope you're as excited for Trade Club as we are. This has been a project that we've had in the making, in the works, behind the scenes for a good while now, and we're extremely excited to finally be launching it. So December 1st, which is the day this video is going live, is the official release date, reveal date for Trade Club. But we won't be accepting bookings until sort of 2nd or 3rd week in January. Nevertheless guys, if you are interested in Trade Club, please go and head over to our website, fill in the form, let us know how many weeks you'd like to join us for, what month and that kind of thing. There's a little form there at the bottom of our website. You fill that in, get that sent over to us, and we'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. Okay guys, so today is Wednesday the 1st of December, which is the official launch date of Trade Club. Now over the past few months, pretty much since we've moved into this new office space, we have ran experience days with KB members. So basically, we opened up the opportunity for people in the KB trading community to come in and join us on the trading floor for 1 to 3 days. And we've done that for quite a few weeks over June, July and August. And the reviews and the feedback that we got was just absolutely phenomenal. In fact, pretty much all of the members who we brought in after the first day or so here said they had learned more than they'd learned in 1 to 2 years trading at home, around work or around, university, etc. I think this really emphasises just how invaluable it is to have concentrated time on the charts. Understand that's not, something everybody can do, but being in the correct environment and having that dedicated time definitely makes a difference. So if you're an aspiring trader, if you're perhaps looking to get funded or that kind of thing, make sure you check out Trade Club. It's going to be one of the top links in the description. Fill in that form at the bottom of the page and let us know when you'd like to join us, and try and set aside some time, perhaps into the new year, to join us here on the trading floor and to take your trading to the next level. Now, yesterday evening, I got out of that trade on Euro-Pound for about a 0.6 hour loss. That cancels out the profit that we made on silver at the start of the week, and I'm currently break even. I'm currently in a trade on Euro-Dollar short, and that's running in a little bit of loss at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over onto the screens and I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the analysis on that trade. So we're looking at a chart of Euro-Dollar here on the daily time frame. Now, I personally use MetaTrader for all of my analysis and for all of my execution, but TradingView is just that little bit easier to use when you're explaining a trade, when you're giving a trade walkthrough, because we have that replay mode. So looking at this chart of Eurodollar here on the daily time frame, something that I want to point out, which is, where my interest becomes peaked, is the daily bullish engulfing candle that we had yesterday. Again, this candle clearly took out the low. If I just skip forward one day, you'll see the candle took out the low and then closed above the high of the candle previous. To me, that's a bullish engulfing candle, and that's something that immediately piques my interest. I want to drop down onto a lower time frame and look for an entry into that daily bias. With that being said, that is only half of the picture. What you can see here on Eurodollar is that we've had a downtrend for quite a significant period of time. Now, whenever we're talking about trends, there are a couple of things that we need to be mindful of. A downtrend becomes bullish when price takes out and closes through the most recent swing high. What you can see here is that we have continual lower highs and lower lows. If the market was to break up through the most recent high and put in a higher high rather than a lower high, pull back, put in a higher low, we are now bullish. And so what this means is that the most recent swing high in a downtrend is a very, very key reaction point. It's a very, very key area that people are going to be watching, because they'll be looking for that change in trend direction. So with that being said, if we mark out the most recent high, which took place in here, what we can see is that the market actually pushed up and tried to break it in yesterday's candle and failed to do so, right? So yeah, we have a bullish engulfing, a daily bullish engulfing, and it looks like we want to try and break to the upside. But when we look at it in this frame of reference, we did try and break out of that recent swing high and actually failed there, right? So to me, I'm immediately thinking, okay, daily bullish engulfing, a lot of people are going to see this as a reason to be long. And a lot of those people will have their stop losses below the low of this candle. So my trade idea from this time frame is we've had a swing failure at the most recent swing. People are seeing this daily bullish engulfing, are likely to be long with stops under the low. So if this is going to fail and the downtrend is going to continue, we failed up here, what will happen is the market will go down and it'll take out those stops. And that is where my trade idea comes into play. Now, if we drop down onto the 60-minute time frame, the 1 hour time frame here, what we can see is the low of the daily bullish engulfing comes in right around here. This is where I believe the stop losses of buyers are going to be. You can see we've had that swing failure at this recent structure point. The market pushed up, absolutely collapsed down through it on news. And so my idea is now to just watch and wait effectively. If I draw on a little area of support and resistance here, you can see support, resistance. We'll see into the new day, which was this morning, the market does back off from that area a little bit, and then it begins to rally and tries to push higher, right? Now, early morning, around about 7 AM, we have an hourly bullish engulfing, and things are looking, pretty good to pop out to the upside. And then we get this. Now, this is an hourly swing failure, similar to what we saw in the daily time frame. The market breaks a swing point, fakes out of it, and then closes back down quite significantly. So my trade idea now is to get short from this structure here on this retest and look for the market to push lower to take out the low of this daily bullish engulfing. So I'm short from here with a stop just above the high, targeting the low for just under a 1.9 hour trade. Now, if we track forward, you can see the market pops up and tests that zone from the underside, tries to push off, it breaks off to the upside, very, very close to stop, and then you can see in the last hour we've had another bearish engulfing back down through this zone of structure, and pretty much what I'm expecting to happen would be something like this, and then a move to the downside. The stop has just kept us in here. Now again, 2% is risked on this trade, so if it does, blow through that resistance again and go for the stop, we will lose 2% on this trade, bringing me down 1 hour for the week. So it's now Friday the 3rd of December. It's about 2 days since I filmed that last section of the video, but this trade on euro dollar was literally just grinding along, and I wanted to get a little bit of development before I picked up the camera to give you a kind of final update to round up on the video. So I got stopped out on a trailed stop around about an hour ago for just under half an hour. It's about $450, which, you know, that's pretty much what I'm ending the week with. You know, I had that 0.6 hour winner on silver to begin the week, and then I had a 0.6 hour loser on euro dollar, and I've just made around about 0.5 hour now. So I'm up half an hour for the week. The last couple of months of the year do tend to be slower months for myself. A lot of people begin to take holidays around the end of November, going into December. So what you'll find is a lot of the trading desks around the world have dramatically reduced volume, and subsequently the markets can kind of, you know, trade sideways for longer periods of time. But anyway guys, I'm going to end the video here. If you are interested in Trade Club, that will be the second link in the description. Please go ahead and check that out. Or if you want to check out any of the education we offer here at KB, that's going to be the top link. But as always guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to drop a like and consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.